Hi YouTube, I'm Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about critical updates for ESXi and vCenter. It was kind of weird when these updates first came out. The CVE, or the critical vulnerability score, was super high. It was like 9.8 out of 10, and then they revised the scores to make it like high sixes, low sevens. So don't know if it's been exploited out in the wild yet. But anyway, there were some critical updates that were released for vCenter and ESXi in the last month. So if you are running ESXi and vCenter, please get these updates on. I'll put a link here to the updates I'm referring to. Got to stay on top of the updates, right? It kind of is what it is. If you like this information, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Upgrade your ESXi and your vCenter servers now if you haven't. Stay safe out there. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon.